Imagine having 5 powerful AI assistants that can help you write, study, research, and even create videos, all for free. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 free AI tools you should start using in 2026. Whether you're a student, content creator, or just someone who wants to save time, these tools can completely transform the way you work. Let's jump right in. Number 1. ChatGPT. First up is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most versatile AI assistants available today. You can use it to write YouTube scripts, solve homework, generate creative ideas, translate languages, summarize articles, and even get coding help. No matter what you're working on, ChatGPT can help you finish tasks much faster and boost your productivity. Number 2. Claude AI. Next, we have Claude AI. Claude is excellent for writing long documents, improving emails, brainstorming ideas, and explaining complex topics in a simple way. It also does a great job of summarizing long articles and creating detailed content while keeping the writing natural and easy to understand. If you write a lot or need detailed explanations, Claude is definitely worth trying. Number 3. NotebookLM. At number 3 is NotebookLM. NotebookLM is an amazing study assistant. Just upload your PDFs, notes, or documents, and it can summarize them, answer questions based on your files, create study guides, and even generate audio overviews that explain your material. It's a fantastic tool for students, researchers, and anyone learning something new. Number 4. Hailuo AI. Coming in at number 4 is Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI lets you create stunning AI-generated videos from simple text prompts or images. It can produce cinematic scenes, animate characters, and generate impressive short videos without requiring advanced editing skills. If you're a YouTuber or content creator, this tool can help bring your ideas to life. Number 5. Perplexity AI. Finally, we have Perplexity AI. Perplexity is an AI-powered search assistant that gives you clear answers along with sources. Instead of searching through dozens of websites, you get well-organized information in seconds. It's perfect for research, school assignments, learning new topics, and finding reliable information quickly. Outro. And those are my top 5 free AI tools for 2026. Each one has its own specialty. ChatGPT helps you create and learn. Claude AI improves your writing. NotebookLM makes studying easier. Hailuo AI generates amazing videos. And Perplexity AI helps you research faster. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.